Hey guys, it's 4 o'clock in UK, 5 o'clock South Africa, 5th of August, Thursday. Um, yeah, it's been a while, so let me just quickly do another short Bitcoin update for you. Try to keep my videos under 10 or 15 minutes. All right, so just to recap, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. Uh, First of all, I had about 4. Let me just put it down. First, I had about 4 down here, and I was hoping for the one more 5 down to here. Do the 5 waves down, okay, which is our first big major A. And I was hoping then for this move to there and then further down. But after looking at a few scenarios and looking at the Elliott waivers as well, I have to agree this wave what 2 structure correction and its wave 4 structure correction is a little bit way too long. So I'm going to actually say yes, this is a W, X, Y, and that is actually where the 4 has ended, not up here, which looks more right in size. And then if I go down, that's a 5. Why is it a 5? Because it has created a new low. Remember I said in my last few videos, I do not like truncated wave 5s. They are too shorter versions, and they should really break beyond. But in this case, it hasn't. It has just sparked through. Again, it is enough for the rules. So I'll accept that then as a wave 5 done. So that means we've got, let me just put this line in here, from there to there, which is our first major wave A, done and dusted. Okay, so there's wave A done. So after wave A done, because we're 5 waves down, we need to see a 3-wave correction. There's your A, there's your B, there's your C, and from there we should only get another leg down for C now. So we've got A done, finish B, and now we're going to work our way C, and that is why I'm quite bearish at the moment. Now, let me just have a quick look further. If this is not done as correction, so we've got our 3-wave correction. This is retraced to the 38% at 42,500. That's a 38% retracement, which is perfect. It doesn't have to go any further. But zigzags, I like them to be quite deep, a little bit 50% maybe. But this is sufficient. If this is not finished, it could still do another 3-wave correction, okay, and then another 3-wave correction up to there, which will give us a major W, X, and a Y wave. Then you'll have your big dump, which is the same length as this line over here. All right, so if that's the case, that means we should have at least target of whatever this is in blue, and we take it down from there. That is if it's a dragged out wasting time scenario. So if you are very bullish, let me go to the 4-hour. Let's just zoom into 4-hour and see where we were. Okay, so right from back here, we started getting all these corrections. We got the spark down. Remember, there's my blue box. I said we should get the 3 waves up and the 3 waves down, and then move up to 42-ish. So there is my blue box from back in June. So I said that time, if you look at the images and the videos, we got our 3 up, I wanted the 3 down, we got that, and I was expecting this move to hit my target. What happened? It actually just dragged the B wave out a lot longer. So instead of just doing the 3, which I just explained to you 2 minutes ago, you could have the 3, another 3 sideways, and another 3 down, which will do your W. Oh, this is a mess now. W, your X, and your Y. So you got your 1, 2, 3 wave, or 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you have a 3-wave correction or a 7-wave correction. It's just a very dragged out scenario. Nothing has changed. It's still above the low. So we've got our A in place, got a B in place, and then I said to you guys, watch the blue box on top for our C wave correction. So what happened? We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, done and dusted. Okay, so now we've reached a target. So now I have closed all those longs, and I'm now in a short position. So why are we shorting? Because I believe this is the ABC done, and we are going down for new lows. Now, guys, if I see it's moving all of a sudden now. Okay? I'll check the news later if see any news. But according to my technical analysis, Remember, there's my lines. I got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or I got the A, the B, the C, and then you could get a bullish move. All right, I haven't moved these lines yet. So we've got our A in place. That's done. Or 1. I'm waiting for our 3-wave correction, maybe to about 41,000. So at about 41,000, I'll be looking at maybe if it does that, it comes down, I'll probably short it from there. And I'll wait for at least 36, 35,000 area. That is our minimum target to reach. This is where it needs to make a decision. If it bounces up very fast here, and it has to break wave 1 or wave A level, whatever that is. I'll have to check now. Once it breaks that, that confirms this is just a 3-wave structure down, and the thing will go higher. Then you know you're definitely in a confirmed up move again. Unless we're doing what I'm thinking, which is the longer past 34, whatever that is, and go right down to 31, 32, then we're doing 3, 4, 5, and they'll definitely confirm our downward continuation. Let me just add some labels here because I see it's very close to. So there's our A, that is 37,500. So once this breaks down from 41 and goes down to, let's say, 35, if it then bounces and breaks through 37.5, that confirms your up move. Okay, so I'll do a line here for you and put it there, and I'll make it a dotted line just as a reminder of what line we should not cross. So in Elliott wave perspective, if we go 1, 2, 3, which is your ABC, once it confirms breaking this low level, it validates that, and you should get your continuation up. If I'm in my bearish mode, I believe that's the 1. There's your 2, and this wave 3 should be the longer one, and wave 4 should not even touch the bottom of wave 1. So that's why we cannot cross that dotted line at 37.5 after that. And that will make us another wave 5. Again, 3 up from there and more down. So that is how it works in Elliott wave counts. Some other people might just look at this as bullish. They're not looking at the big picture. Guys, I mean really, if I have to look at my daily count and I ignore the fact that it's 5 down, and I assume this is just 3 down, and we hit a low here. Did it give us 5-wave impulsive? No, it hasn't. Okay, look at this 5-wave move now we had, the C wave. That's a nice impulsive wave. This didn't happen from the low. And that doesn't give me any confidence as it's a reversal. So if I ignored everything that happened here and turn a blind eye and ignore all Elliott wave rules, I could understand why some people might think this is very bullish, because we've got our 5-wave moves up to there, and that is your bullish move. Now we should get your 3-wave correction, and then we should carry on with the bullish moves. So that is what all the bulls are praying for right now, 35,000 and a strong move up from there. Some say 36, but we'll see. If it breaks below that, we all know that it's going to continue down lower. So for the next few days, just keep an eye on this level, because that will tell us where it's going. All right. What else can I say? Let me just look. So as I said before, if you shorted from 41, by the way, I'm not telling anyone to sell the BTCs, Bitcoin, or short anything like it. I'm just saying what I'm going to do. This is how we work as forex traders as well. So the last 10 years, this is what you do, and this is how you should be doing it. If you got your impulse, you got your correction, you can now short it there. Take a chance. All right. Then once it goes breaks as low on the last A, we wait for it to keep going. Then you can move your stop from where you entered to above this line here. So as long as it's just above that, you should be safe. That's your confirmation. If this is a 3, 4, 5, great. It won't come touch line number 1 again. If you're wrong and this is just a 3-wave correction and it breaks up, it will have to break this line here. If it does that, it takes you out automatically at a stop loss or whatever, with a very small profit. And fine, you were wrong. Look for entry on the retrace, and we can buy it there. All right. So that is how you would trade in a normal trading market. If I quickly show you the daily count again. So impulse, 3 correction, and we need another impulse. This impulse needs to be longer than this wave here. So if you look at the size of this wave, this first impulse up here must be longer than that one, okay? Give you 4, give you 5, then we break all-time highs. Just be careful. If we're still bearish, we've got ABC. Could have an ABC, another ABC. So it gives you your 7-wave correction for another low, which is equal legs of that. Okay, so that's your scenarios, so be careful. If we reach up there, which is quite nice, we can easily see, what's this, 20,000, 18,000, quite easily. That's equal legs. It could go lower, but we'll bridge that gap or whatever, cross that bridge when we get there. So for now, just be careful, watch this 35 level, and take it easy. Good luck, guys.